Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: your browser stack credentials, the build of the app, and a test runner like a PM. Once done, upload the app or IPA to Browserstack app, automate and register any required devices. Make sure to set desired capabilities: platform name, device, app, and Browserstack. User/key so Browserstack can authenticate and deploy the app. This immediate action reduces friction later and lets you move straight into writing tests while the environment is ready. Now you configure tests for reliable execution. Set desired capabilities for device, OS version, and app path, and enable local testing if your app requires internal endpoints. Once configured, run APM tests with explicit waits and idempotent steps to avoid flakiness. Incorporate retries for network-dependent steps. Make sure to use Browserstack local when testing staging endpoints. After execution, collect session ID to map logs, videos, and device screenshots for deeper analysis and debugging. Finish by analyzing artifacts. View the device video, APM logs, and screenshots to pinpoint failures. This shows exactly what happened and why. Once you identify causes, rerun only affected tests after fixing selectors, weights, or environment settings. Make sure to update desired capabilities to test other OS versions and to validate fixes. If something goes wrong, try the one troubleshooting tip: restart Browserstack local, confirm credentials, and rerun a single test to isolate network or auth problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.